Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the steps needed to connect your bank account to Flinks. Flinks is a secure service that allows applications to connect to your bank account to access financial data. The connection process is generally straightforward and occurs within the application you are using. First, you will need to initiate the connection within the app or website you are using. Look for an option like Connect Bank Account or Link Account during your setup or onboarding. Second, the application will redirect you to the Flinks Connect window or embedded widget. This is the secure interface where you will select your financial institution. Third, you will need to search for your bank and select it from the list of available institutions. If you cannot find it immediately, try searching for the bank's full name or common abbreviations. Fourth, Flinks will prompt you to securely enter your online banking credentials, such as your username and password, for your selected bank. This is done securely through Flinks, and the application you are using does not store or see this information. Fifth, you may be asked to complete a multi-factor authentication step, such as answering a security question or entering a one-time passcode sent to you by your bank. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection. Sixth, after successful authentication, you will be asked to select the specific accounts you wish to connect and share data from, such as your checking or savings account. Finally, confirm your selection. Flinks will then process the connection and redirect you back to the application. You will typically receive confirmation that your bank account has been successfully linked and the financial data is being aggregated. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.